A toddler finds a garden hose and turns it into a chaotic water feature for his unsuspecting rainbow bunny friend. The poor rabbit looks absolutely betrayed while getting soaked, but everything changes when the little boy decides to taste the nozzle himself. With the water pressure finally off, our fluffy hero is dry, ecstatic, and ready to party again.
故意欺负人，最后倒霉的总是自己呀。
Oh, that almost rolled into your mouth. Come here. So close, Jojo. Oh, you getting better, Andy. You're getting better. One more time. So close. Almost there. You missed it, Jojo. More effort. Almost there, Joe.
Welcome to the ultimate feline chaos compilation where logic goes to die and whiskers reign supreme. We begin with a cat having a full religious experience or perhaps just screaming at a pink Hello Kitty sweater. Next, we witness the most ambitious but slowest jailbreak in history as a determined paraplegic kitty drags itself toward freedom down a carpeted hallway. If that is not enough drama for you, meet Muhammad Ali, the heavyweight kitten champion of the world, currently shadowboxing an invisible opponent with absolute ferocity. Trying to have a private emotional breakdown is impossible when your golden retriever thinks your tears are just flavor enhancers and your face is a playground. This dog clearly skipped the empathy training today. When you decide to take your bed for a walk but the sunshine hits just right and suddenly you are both taking a nap instead.
Mir geht's gut, sieht man doch. Na, Geld läuft, die Miete wird bezahlt, Strom wird bezahlt. Ja, also.
Naming your cat business is a total power move because when people ask why you are always at home you can honestly say you are managing business. These three fluffy troublemakers started with intense suspicious side eyes before realizing they were being filmed. Now they are screaming for snacks and stardom. Better call the number on screen before they take over everything. Look at this majestic creature transitioning from a peaceful slumbering angel to a chaotic floor potato in record time. 1 minute he is dreaming of treats and sunshine but the next he is fighting for his absolute life against a literal string. Gravity clearly has no power here. Witness the peak performance of a fierce hunter becoming his own worst enemy. Behold the gray shadow hunter as it wages a fierce and clumsy war against the blue plastic monster while perched precariously atop its very own chariot of feline destiny today. This fluffy potato has clearly mastered the art of being adorable.
Matay ko mapikiran na.
Nah, mandi.
Mandi. Tadi isuk guys mandi.
Ya kan tadi isuk eta mah. Ayeuna mah geus beurang.
Nyang guys sakali wae ya mah isuk mandi, berang mandi. Terus penting engke mandi deui nya.
Ya kan 3 kali sapoe, Meng.
Geus mending asupkeun we aing ka akuarium mang, Kakak.
Six more weeks of winter.
Yes.
The Wanky has spoken. Sorry about it.
Welcome to the chaotic day at the Corti General Hospital where the healthcare is questionable but the staff is incredibly fluffy. Our lead surgeon is currently performing a delicate procedure on a very dramatic patient while a tuxedo cat is being prepped for an emergency fluffectomy. Notice the professional nurse dog in the blue surgical cap who seems mostly interested in when the lunch break starts. From the Raid bottle serving as an oxygen tank to the tiny rolling gurney being pushed into position, this medical team is clearly working on a budget of treats and belly rubs. It is a positively stressful shift for everyone involved in this adorable masterpiece.
How many of those did you take? I took 9. Yeah, I did, I think, slightly overcommit.
These hungry little tigers are currently staging a full-scale tactical assault on one bowl of soup. Personal space is officially cancelled until every drop is gone. This orange tabby demonstrates peak feline physics by morphing from a solid to a liquid. Look at those oversized paws and golden eyes working overtime to convince us he is actually quite graceful. Behold the legendary loot pile where Pikachu slippers meet the ultimate candy haul. This kid is living his absolute best life while the tabby cat prepares to initiate a high-stakes heist on that lime green bucket. From tactical camel footwear to enough sugar to power a small city for a week, it is pure chaotic energy. Watch closely as the feline mastermind calculates the exact trajectory for the sour punch.
Leo's like, I don't know what is happening.